So guys, in this video, we're going to talk about the logic that the Smart Scalper uses. And to be honest, it's actually quite simple, right? Obviously, we have like an on-off thing and a long-short, which allows to, so this would be actually same as having it off, right? So if we, for example, choose to only go long, okay, what the bot does, right, is, so you have to have at least one bar of the color that you want to go for, which means that, so for example, this bar is green. So it's actually going to look at the previous bar to identify which direction is going to scalp in, okay? So this means that when this bar closes, and if scalp is on and long is on, okay, when this bar closes, and the truth is this bar will only close if we get a tick above this level here, okay? And the bot is only for NinzaRenko bars, okay? I haven't tried with any other bars, maybe it also works, but I designed it for NinzaRenko bars. So when this bar closes, what actually happens is we get a tick above this level, somewhere here or here, whatever. And that's when we place our entry order, which is actually a limit order, a limit buy. So the market, if we kind of zoom in, right? And so what has to occur is in fact this. So the market, so like there are ticks inside this bar, blah, blah, blah. And then in order for this bar to close, the tick has to go like somewhere here. That's when this bar opens, right? And that's when an order is placed at this level, okay? If it doesn't get filled, it's going to get canceled in the next bar, right? But if it gets filled, obviously, you get a straight long position here, okay? And that's when, and then when you get filled, you place a profit target, which equals the size of your step, okay, the NinzaRenko step, and it's right here. So this bar actually does not have to close in order to get filled with the profit target. You know, sometimes you kind of, it touches upon it and turns around, okay? So when you get filled, and then you get a tick right here again, so that means you get another order placed, and then you get filled again, and blah, blah, so it kind of goes like that, up and down, right? Never mind the plotting for these trades because Ninja goes crazy when the bars have the same timestamp. And the losing trade is a reversal bar. Okay, so the reversal has to occur. If this thing reverses, it'll exit. Okay,